By now, I believe you have already installed VS Code and Google Chrome to your device, whether you're using Mac or Windows. If you have not, check out my previous YouTube video for that. So we are setting up the lectures. First, let's create a folder where we're going to work on. Yeah, good. So let me name my own Solite. So create a folder, then move over to your VS Code. Go to open folder. So navigate to where your folder is. My own is in here. Where your folder is. Okay. I have opened mine. So here is my folder. Firstly, we are going to create an HTML file. We are using index.html. Now this is uh, our document, like every other file .jpeg, .png for images. Here is .html. The first thing we are going to write on our HTML file is the type of HTML we are using. We are using HTML5. So we start with angle bracket, document, doc type, sorry, then write HTML. This is what we are starting up with. So after this, the next thing you're going to write is the major element of HTML file, the HTML tag itself. So after the HTML tag, we add the body tag. Add the body tag. So here is where you write whatever that we display on the major website. Now we also have heads where we add what does not actually display on the body of the website. So let's load this page on our browser. If you come to your file, you right click and go to copy path. Then move over to the web browser and paste it. Click enter. Then you have loaded. We have nothing in the website. So there's another tool in Google Chrome. To access it, click on right click on the web page, click on inspect, go head and body, empty head and body. So you can add, let's add something inside it. H1, H1 is cool. It's so light. H2. H3. Oh, it's so light. Additionally, save and refresh. So you see, the higher the number, the lower the letters. Let's also add the remaining two. H5 O eight O9 H6 O8 9. Let's save and refresh. So the higher the number, the smaller the letters. Let's close it for now. Paragraph. That's the mainly used. Let's write something inside it. In the time of coding, the spirit of code rests on the hands of the person that person that believes in the impossible. Yeah, that's true. Only people that believe in the impossible know how to code best. And let's refresh. So this is your paragraph. So let me introduce some other thing. Okay, if you want to make some words Italy, use itag escort from here. Coding the the time of coding the spirit. Yeah, so I just cut this and put it inside here. Refresh. Save and refresh. See here is Italy. So let's make some of them bold. Let's make believe bold. Change my view. You can see it clear now. Now let's use big tag to make believe bold. Save and refresh. Now believe is now bold. So another thing I'll be introducing is horizontal rule, that is HR tag. This gives you just a horizontal line. Let's add something to the head, something like title. So give it no light. We save and refresh, look up here. It has changed the code to light.